We will guide you through how to import logo in Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by opening the Adobe Illustrator app on your computer. When the welcome screen appears, look on the left side and select the Create New option to begin a new document. A pop-up menu will appear where you can adjust your document settings according to your preference, where you can simply choose one of the available templates. After setting up the document, click Create to make your workspace and open the new file. Once your workspace is ready, go to the File menu at the top of the Illustrator window. From the menu, select the Place option to browse for the logo file you want to bring into your document. Find the logo file you want to import on your computer. Select the logo file and click Place to continue. Illustrator will begin loading the logo, so wait for it to appear. After the file loads, move your cursor over the artboard and click where you want to place the logo. Use the selection tool to select the imported logo so you can adjust it for editing. If the logo is not a vector file, you can use the Image Trace feature to convert it into a vector design. Image Trace can turn a raster image into editable vector shapes, but it works best when the logo is simple and has clear shapes and colors. Check the result carefully to make sure the tracing looks clean and accurate. Next, adjust the size of the logo by selecting it and dragging the corner handles. Resize it until it reaches the size you need for your design. While resizing, hold the Shift key to maintain the logo proportions and prevent the artwork from becoming stretched or distorted. Place the logo in the desired position on the artboard and check its appearance. Finally, inspect the imported logo carefully to make sure its colors, shape, and details appear correctly. Look for missing elements, distorted areas, or unwanted changes.